I grew up with Game and Watch handhelds. These things were magic back then. They were simple, quiet, and somehow more exciting than they had the right to be. So when Nintendo dropped these anniversary editions, I grabbed one. I grabbed them both, but not for the games. I mean, I've played Mario and Zelda a million times, but I was really chasing the feeling. Click of the buttons, the shape in your hands, the screen glow. I thought maybe it'd feel like something I would be used to. But the truth is, it didn't. Not really. I mean, don't get me wrong, these are beautiful, no doubt. The build is great, the screens are sharp, and they pack a lot more than the originals ever could. You've got rechargeable batteries now, full bright colored LCDs, and an actual D-pad, and multiple full NES games, crammed into something smaller than your phone. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's impressive. Nintendo released these back in 2021 for Mario's 35th and Zelda's 35th anniversaries, but they're not the same. They're just too perfect, too polished. There's no wrist strap, no tiny beeps from black and gray screens, no little battery doors that you had to pop open with, your nail or a coin. But that spark, that raw kid on the couch excitement, it wasn't in here. All it did was remind me of how much I miss the real ones. The ones I had back when time moved slower and games didn't need to be so smart. I bought these to relive something, but they just made me realize I've already lived it, and nothing re-released will ever feel quite the same.